Starting on page 1080, we have 17.5, the set, the multi-set, and the unordered set. Now, a set contains a list of values that is not repeated. So we do not have duplicates in a set. And really the benefit here, you can tell by just how long, you can see my little scroll wheel over here, it ain't that long, except for this huge table 17-13. The value here of having a set is you know you are going to have a unique unduplicated set of numbers, or you're going to have a unique unduplicated set of names. So let's say, for example, we were going to redo, for those of you who had my CIs276 class, there was and actually we redid it way earlier in the semester here. That's true with some of our advanced array operations we started out with. So yes, all of you did do this one, where we have a big list of names, right? And we wanted to see if a value, so if a name was in that range of names. And we had to go through an awful lot to have to do that, right? We wanted to make sure that, number one, we had either sorted everything in ascending or descending values. If we were doing it by characters inside of a string, we were going to have to test, each element of the search string to each element of the line from that particular file to make sure whether or not the strings were the same. And that's a huge pain in the ass for you to have to go through. Here, in the idea of the set, we can simply search for the value inside of that set. So this is on page 1083. And here we go. It's names.count if we're looking for Lisa inside of that string. You can also use it with an iterator with find. Don't you wish I'd let you know that that was in there? Count and find work, by the way, the exact same way. The only difference there is what the return is, either a 0 or a 1 if it's found in the set. So we can use these interchangeably because, frankly, that's how they work. So at any rate, the best idea there inside of the set is the find, which is how you will see that most of the time. Or the count member function. Before I do let you go on this one, an unordered set is exactly what you think it is. It is a set, which means that there are a collection of unique entries in no particular order. A multi-set is, you guessed it, just like a multi-map. It is a set that does allow for duplicate entries. But I'll tell you, with the idea of a set, the real benefit there is the rule. The rule is unduplicated entries. Multi-set breaks that rule, and it's true you do get to use find, which is nice, but you're breaking the rule that makes the set valuable to you. But at any rate, here they are.